Marielle, Mom and a Girl with Plans, and I am planning in my mini dashboard for the week of May 17th through the 23rd, and it's a big week for me because this is the last day that I have students in class. So I can't believe we're already, summer's here, you guys. I'm so excited. So I grabbed some teacher stickers and then one that's kind of a surprise. So I grabbed Out for Adventure, Fresh Start, and the Caregiver one. I know, you guys, this Caregiver one has so many really good colors and kind of staples that I think people forget about it a lot. I don't know. Tell me if you've got this one. I actually really like it. And I decided, this is kind of strange, I'm going for a pretty like basic palette, I guess I'd say. I opened this sticker book and the first sticker I saw was this one. And I'm like, I'm going with it. I'm doing everything just very simple silhouettes like this. So I pulled these out, this one, and this, which I might cover that bird because I'm trying to do it all just in the pinks and kind of that mustard tone. And then I grabbed these from the Fresh Start that had like pinks and that mustard color. And then these two I grabbed from Caregiver, and I might grab some more because there's great boxes and things that say reminders. So as I'm creating my spread, I figure I will probably be grabbing some more of these. I'm not really sure how I'm going to use all these stickers, but you know what? I'm going to try, right? So I'm thinking first that I want to lay down this big one, this big daddy. Now the thing is, of course, it's not going to fit. So I'm thinking I'm going to cut it. I probably should have gotten big scissors instead of my tiny ones because these are hard to cut when you want to make just a really big, perfect cut. So I'm torn on how to do this. Well, let's just go for it. I'm just going to cut right here and cut the notes part off. Now I could cut this line off and close the box out, but I don't know that I want to do that. We'll see. I might, but we'll see. All right, now I got to figure out where I'm going to put this. I'm thinking kind of just along this line. Oh my gosh, I'm holding my breath. Oh, what? Stop. I did it. I mean, okay, it's not perfect, but it's pretty good for me. If you know, I struggle with putting things down straight, so this is a big deal for me. Okay, yay. Well, see, normally I would have put this here, like over that, but now I've kind of got a little challenge going. Let's see. Maybe I should have, now I'm like having regrets and I should have put down there. You know what? We're just going to move on. I'm going to put this here. There. I don't know. Okay. And then, I feel like I'm like putting everything in weird boxes and I'm not going to have enough room because I wanted to, I don't know. It's like, I don't know what I want to do with that. This notes might be good, but no. It's just something about having it blocked like that. Maybe I need to lift this end up and see, or not have this block be here. We'll see. We shall see. Let's try something really quick. What if, I don't know. Okay, this is going to be a big sticker to have to remove if I need to remove it, but we'll see. Whoa. Oh, I feel like it takes away too much of the function of the box, which that's not good. Okay, hold up. I mean, I like that there. Maybe I need to cut it down a little bit. I don't know. We'll see. Because I could do it where it's like this, and then I cut some of those flowers off. That's another option. Now let's also take a look at this guy. I feel like I'm blocking your view when I'm doing that. That's why I love this thing. I mean, I'm not exactly I don't know what I've done, guys. I feel like I've literally boxed myself into a weird corner. Okay, hold up. Hold up. Let's try this one. I'm just going to try all of the decorative choices that I have. And I'm not feeling that either. Okay, we're back to this baby. What if I put it like this, right? And then I cut this edge off. I'm just doing it. We're going for it. No regrets. It's done. It's going to be this way. Okay. There. I don't know. Whatever. But I'm saving this little piece. It could be like a little accent. I don't know. A little piece of fake washi. All right. And then I want to change up. I don't want it to say weekly assignments. I want it to be finish up. So these are the things that I need to finish up this week. And I've got to figure out something to cover that. So how about a get it done? How about a pink bird get it done? Okay, hold on. Let's try this. There we go. Okay, so that just changed like the box. I know there's some blue there. I'm not gonna stress about it. Just we're moving on. It's gonna be okay. All right, so now I think I might use this right here. I don't know, let's see. And then I can put a to-do. Now I gotta decide which to do. I want to do. Okay, I've got this one. And then I've also got a round one. Let me grab the round one and see which one I like better. I think I like, oh, I don't know. I was gonna say I like the triangle. I'm not really keen on the star. Why did that? I wish it didn't have a star. I wish these were just plain. Okay, I think I like the color of that to do better than this one, but I like the shape of this one. Does that make sense? Well, it's not that deep. I don't know. Maybe let's just go for this one. Okay. There. To do, done. Okay. I've still got this here. So I'm going to have to come up with something to cover that. We can figure that out later. Okay. So I've got that there. And now it's this side. Now, originally I was thinking I was going to do this circle over here. But now I feel like I want somehow this. Now it's too big to fit. So I'm going to have to do some trimming. Which is not ideal. I don't want to angle it. I don't want to put it here. I mean, I could put it like this, but it's still going to need to be trimmed. So I'm going to cut it. We are just going to do it. We are just going for it. I don't even know where I need to cut it, but you know what? Hopefully this will work. Okay. I hope you guys are not, I don't know. I feel like I'm not, some things I'm meticulous about and other things I'm just like, whatever. It's close enough. I hope you guys are like, I don't know, like that too and aren't like, no, she didn't measure. Why is she doing this? Okay. So now I've got this and I've got this extra little strip, which I could do something with over here. Okay. So we've got that. Now I want to get in some of my appointments and things that I have going on for the week. First up is Friday. That's the yay day. That's the last day of school. Ooh, did you hear that thunder? It's like in a storm. Okay. There. I could just see the power going out as I'm like trying to film this and be like, oh, well, okay. All right. So I've got Friday. Also, got a doctor's appointment that day. for my daughter. Okay, so I've got that going on. And then, let's see. Our end of school party is actually on Wednesday. So I grabbed this class one. And I'm just going to cut the at off, and that way I'm going to use it for class party. Whoops, there we go. And let me see if there's, I know in Caregiver there was some good box stickers. So let's see if there's a good one that I can use. How about this? Don't forget, remember. Maybe a top priority, maybe a party's the top priority. Okay. It kind of is, right? Wait, I'm like, I kind of want, wait a minute. I need to pull this off because I wanted to put that at the top, not the bottom. But it's the class party. Whoa, come off. Yay, okay. So I'm gonna put it over here this time. And I'm gonna put class, oops, right there. Does that work? Kind of. It's gonna have to. Okay, so I've got my class party there. And then let's see, what else do we have? I know I've got, let's see, meaning I'm gonna use this pink box for that. Right here, there we go. So I've got that. And I know more things are gonna come up throughout the week. It always does, right? So I'm gonna leave myself some room to breathe there. And I kind of wanna do this. This don't forget right here. Hold on, oh well, there. That kind of covers that up. I can always add like a really important thing that I need to do right there. So I think that will be good. Alrighty, and then let's see. It's Memorial Day weekend, so we've got that going on. I'm gonna actually save this notes and use it for another, I can use that in another project. Okay, and then let's see. Now I'm just gonna add a couple of these. I think you've got this. I love adding motivational things to keep you going throughout the week, right? I feel like these are both palm trees. Is that weird? And then this one I pulled out is like, I don't have anything that color. I mean, the inside is, but I don't, so I think I'm gonna skip it. All right, I wonder if there's a bird with that color. Let's look, because I've got a bird there. So let's just have a look before I commit to the palm tree. There were so many beautiful colors, and now I'm dying to use all of these, but I wanted to keep it super monochromatic. I mean, technically I could add like a bird that's just all one color. We'll see. It might happen. I don't know. I really like that it's very basic and like silhouettes versus any color or shading. Okay, there's this bird, which we already used. So yeah, we're just gonna go with the palm tree. Okay, I'm gonna put him over here. Okay. I'm wondering if I should use this. I might cut it down. I don't know. I don't think I want to use it over here. I feel like I kind of like the breathing room there, but maybe I use it down here as an accent. I don't know. Let's take a look. I'm wondering if it's too big. Like if I need to trim it and use it as like washi. Again, this is where I need your input. You guys said you did want to try a live plan with me. So I'm going to have to see, now that school's going to be out, I think, I normally plan on Sundays. So you guys have to let me know what day would work good for a live like plan with me. Would it be better on a weekend or a weeknight? Let me know your thoughts and I will set it up. Okay. Because I think it'd be fun. Like, I would love to hear you guys say, no, Marielle, don't put that there. Or, yes, that looks great. Keep moving. Keep going. Don't move the sticker over and over again. Just keep going. I need that input, guys. Okay. There we go. Add a box. And then throughout the week, a lot of times I add different things. Another thing I do is I don't always add boxes. I just write, obviously. I just write all in here. This is my workhorse planner and the one that I am constantly updating and changing and moving things around. So it's definitely one that gets a lot of work. All right. There was some really great quotes in here that were in this pinks and mustard color. Like I thought, oh, I could use one of these. But I think that in its, almost like in its simplicity, it doesn't need much more. I think just using the silhouettes and the colors to tie it together makes it work. And that's the thing too. A lot of times people have asked, like, when you get stuck, what are some things you do? And one of the things I do is work with color. I'll like grab one sticker, that's the motivation, and I'll look through maybe 2 more sticker books and then stop. Because if I keep going and look through every sticker book I have, I will never plan. So anyways, I think we are good. Thank you so much for watching. And again, if you have any questions or comments, leave them below. I love hearing from you guys. And also like what you guys would like to see. I've got more free time in the summer, so I'm excited to make some more videos. But if you have, again, any questions or comments, leave them below. And I would love it if you'd hit that like, subscribe, and reminder bell so you can get notifications on future videos from me. Thank you so much for watching and have a wonderful week ahead.